Raccoons, I'm very much excited that you've landed on this course. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you how you can become a seasoned HTML5 boss. As part of the lecture series, I'll also be teaching you some quick tips and tricks that will speed up your dev time. So let's jump right into the course content and see what I have for you. So these are going to be the list of items that we are going to be covering in this lecture series. We will learn how to format pages, structuring of our content, meta information, creating links, creating lists, objects such as images, audios, and videos. We'll also learn how we can create tables and how we can also collect user information via the use of forms. We'll also be learning how we can change the presentation of our web page by doing some basic styling, and then how we can also do some basic scripting via the use of JavaScript. And so in our introduction section, we'll look at what is HTML, who invented it, and what constitutes the basic structure of an HTML page. So under the page formatting section, we'll learn how we can use headings and paragraphs, emphasis, strong tag, horizontal rule, breaks, pre-formatted text, abbreviations, addresses, citations, and then white space as to how best we can actually format the orientation of our web page. In order for our web pages to be properly laid, we'll learn how we can use these items to properly structure our web page. And again, we'll be learning how we can embed some of these informations into the head tag of our HTML document. Now you realize that in our normal day-to-day browsing, you visit a web address, and then while you are browsing on the web page, you click on the link. It takes you to another page outside that web address. Or sometimes when you click on a link within that web page, you realize that it takes you to another section within the same web address. So we'll learn all those things under this section. Web pages tend to be boring without some of these elements. So in this section, we'll learn how we can do some of these steps. Now you do realize that some informations can also be best conveyed when we organize those informations into tables. So we'll learn how we'll be creating table rows, cells, and then how we can also section the tables into headers and then footers. Forms are an integral part of a web page, especially if you own a business and you want to collect some data about your customers. You're going to be doing that via the use of forms. So we'll be learning how we can actually collect user information by using some of these elements. In order to change the presentation of our web page, we'll learn how we can apply some basic styles to some elements on our web page. For example, how we can change the text color from black to blue. Now this section is another whole topic on its own, so we are not going to be covering very much into detail what it means. I'm pretty sure that we'll be covering that in our next series. Lastly, we'll be learning how we can add JavaScript or even link JavaScript files to our HTML page. Guys, this is pretty much everything that we'll be covering in our HTML5 boss series. I'm of the belief that after taking this course, you'll feel very much confident to write a skeleton for any web page. I'll see you in the next lectures.